Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove CapCut logo at the end of our video. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see, after we create a project, the CapCut logo will appear at the end of our video, and I'm going to show you how we can remove it. You just need to tap on the ending or the CapCut logo, then you can simply select delete and the CapCut logo will be removed from your video. But if you create new project, the CapCut logo will keep appearing on your project. So here I'm going to show you how we can permanently remove this CapCut logo as well. If we want to remove it permanently, we can go to the CapCut setting, go to the menu first and then select the setting icon on the top right. Then you can disable the default ending right here. I'm going to click on this toggle button and then click on discard. And after we disable the default ending, the CapCut logo won't appear anymore on our project. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut logo at the end of our video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.